What is up, everybody? My name is Connor. You may know me as Cactus. So today we're playing some Ratchet and Clank. Now I want to mention that I will be doing a 100% playthrough of this game, which includes all the skill points and gold bullets. If you played the game, I'm sure you'll know what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and start up a new game to see our two heroes fighting it off in the beginning, possibly. You never know. Kaisel Plateau, Planet Velden. One of our two heroes are gonna hit his flying ship with a big wrench. Doing something. I don't know what he's doing. Huh? What?
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk tech.
So this game has some really good graphics. Not the cutscene, just like the game. You can really tell in HD. Meanwhile, in a factory on a nearby planet, giant robots, they're everywhere. But what? What's this? No! Something's wrong. And this is where our second hero comes into play. His name was Clank. Where am I? Whoa. He sees something terrible. Run, Clank, run! Slide, Clank, slide into the big ship. Some epic music in the background. Approaching the planet Velden, 11:47 a.m. Epic Star Wars battle. What will happen? So guys, Ratchet and Clank, the original. Gadgetron, I know about you, I don't need to know. So, Ratchet and Clank, the collection, actually. This is the HD version. Looks really good. Let's just take a close-up on this one little plant. It's a beautiful plant. So I want to say thank you guys so much for checking out this video, or checking out my channel. I do appreciate every person who does that. And I will be doing a 100% playthrough. I already said that. Derp. Just to make sure. So, I'm actually kind of curious. No, I already know about you, Gadgetron. I'm kind of curious to see how many of you guys have played Ratchet and Clank the original on the PlayStation 2. Or, you know, if you played All for One or Tools of Destruction on the PS3. Just something that is kind of curious to know. Maybe other people might have the same question to ask.
That's nanotech. You never use this.
I know about nanotech. Take a little look around. Oh, almost forgot. I do have bombs in the beginning of the game. I don't know how I forgot about this. It's been quite a while since I played this. Maybe 2 years, 3 years. I used to play this game a ton as a kid. That's the one thing that bugged me. The wrench throwing in this game. Go ahead and pull out our bomb of destruction. Wah-ya. What you doing there, buddy? One with the frog. One with the frog. No. Why are you running?
Press the circle button to equip. And the circle button again to
They were not ready for that.
first person by holding down the L1 button.
Dang it. Why are they all running away? They're scared of me. Another thing that I did not like about this game was the fact that you couldn't upgrade your weapons. Shame, shame, shame. But you can get gold weapons. I will be showing you that when I get some. Which will be pretty amazing. Our two heroes meet. They were not ready to know that they were ready to fight the whole world and stuff. That Captain Quirk photo in the background. What the?
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Or what if the wrench built the ship and you... Oh, never mind.
Find that fellow.
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand.
Yeah, I'm so dumb.
Version of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control.
This guy's got one of the weirdest hairstyles I think I've ever seen.
Into a flaming ball of gas, but of course, sacrifices must be made.
Flaming ball of gas, you say?
Operation.
Pretty interesting.
Take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Psh, we can take him. Chairman Drek's flagship. The guy with the weird hair.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance.
Sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short.
I forgot that's how he got his name.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Entering atmosphere of planet Novalis or something. Something like that. No! My back was broken.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Do I have Clank's stuff? No, I don't have the flying thing. Oh, the bumblebees. Now, I'm pretty sure that there's a gold boat if you swim up a river, but we don't really have the right equipment for that yet. So, we're just gonna have to wait. These guys are not ready. These guys are not ready. Boom. Explosion everywhere. Boom, boom, boom. They are definitely not ready for this. So, yeah. If you swim up river, but we can't do that. Once we get our swimming thing, then we'll be able to. Oh, I almost forgot about these thingies. If you guys don't remember, that's the thingy that will fly around and just help you whenever you need help. Like a little robot. My bodyguard. I'm definitely gonna need that. I'm trying to think how I get that. I think it's with Skid McMarks. We'll see him later. No. The bombers. And if you guys do have any tips, tricks, or comments, do put them in the comment section below. I'll check every one of them. I promise. Time to save the chairman guy. Not Chairman Trek, the other guy. The old guy. This is the time for some epic battle music. I know. Oh, I thought he hit me once.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what
Well, maybe.
torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here.
We're salesmen. We're telemarketers.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Even worse.
Let's see what he's got.
Ah,
happened to you?
well,
Hi, I'm Captain Clark,
once.
and believe me, there's nothing worse
Back
than
in
doing on a
1965.
bloody release from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs.
Big Owls.
Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal.
That's confusing.
Crime or just fighting grime. Come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's Robo Shack, it's Quarktastic.
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Yeah, cool beans, bruh.
Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Gadget
No,
control.
Ratchet, don't even try. Don't even try anymore.
You should press the select button to bring up the link button to the attack. It's marked with a star.
What the? What was that? Huh. Thought I heard a shooting noise. Now there is an area over there, but I kind of, yeah, I kind of want to go to Al's Robo Shack. Maybe get some new equipment for Clank. Wink, wink. Now we will be back to finish that little section over there, of course. I don't know why I'm making those sounds, but why not? Actually, I used to have this ringtone, you know, the background music I can hear from my phone a while back.
The camera. Just tap the L1 button.
Yep, he was not ready. He was not ready. I really need to get some better guns. For some reason I feel like these robots look bigger than they used to. I don't know, guys, you tell me. Yeah. Yeah.
Did you know
Yeah.
that you have a map available to you at
I do now. Oops, wrong button. No, don't you dare hit me like that again. Did I kill him? Did I get him? Huh, I actually got him. Lucky me. My Ratchet and Clank skills are on point. Alrighty guys, so I'll try to be making these videos about 20 minutes long, maybe a little bit more. So, if you have any tips, tricks, or comments, put them in the section below, and I'll see you next time.
You're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd.
I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your Infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Natch. Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.